Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5074105 on your Windows 11 computer. Now, the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in CMD in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator and then click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Let the scan complete. This process will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Still not working, the next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then over here you can see pause update option. Hit pause over here. Once paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Find Windows Update, scroll down here, you can see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now once done, now you can check. You can go back and if you see retry option, hit retry and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update. That is KB5074105 over here. And then click on search. Let me change the language over here. Now, first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. And then here you can see version is 25H2 in my case. So check your Windows version, then check your system type, go to system in Windows settings, scroll down and then click on about option. Over here you can see system type 64-bit operating system. Now for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Now, if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one. For me, this is the right one. And then click on download. And then click on KB5074105 over here. And then run this exe file. Click on it. Once the download is complete, click on it and follow the on-screen instruction to install this update manually and then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option over here, scroll down, go to recovery option, and here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time and once it is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. And the last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run the exe file. Now click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish option over here and then let it close automatically. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept over here. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.